Cúpla Frása Líofa Eile nach gloisiom go minic ó fólamóir. Ibrahim sé sa chance for risk as a verb. So mar hampla chui me sa chance, I risked it, or by dul sa chance, he will have to take a risk, he will have to risk it. Iver though cov ma le shin for as well as that. So instead of always saying freshen, being able to use cov ma for as well. And it can be nice to link two sentences together, cov ma le shin as well as that. Agus iver trí cúpla ceann acu for a few of them. A few of them. This using acu for the of them can also be very handy for people. So let's say the cougar acu, there were 5 of them, or I could use it for a gwyn as well. So if we shockter a gwyn on shin, there were 7 of us there. La wani smo jirka su la sho, be the wall, patreon.com/learnirishonline.